So here we are today with Jeremy and a 73 Datsun. Jeremy, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about this car. Tell us, why this car? Why this Datsun?
Yeah. So I've had this thing for a long time. My dad was an auto shop teacher for Blackfoot for 30 years, so
nice.
cars are just in the family and the
Yeah.
blood. So when I was 12, he says, "Hey, you need a project. You need a car." I don't even have a driver's license, but sure.
Perfect.
So had it actually narrowed down to this car and a Volkswagen Carbon Ghia. And we saw this one. I liked it a little bit better.
Good
Picked
choice.
it up, $800, and it was in real rough shape, but it's been a work in progress ever since.
Yeah. Cool. So obviously, this is no longer the Datsun engine.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
So this motor, it's out of I think it's a Toyota Chaser that they came out of. It's kind of a family sedan that's a little bit sporty.
Yeah.
It's a Toyota 1JZ with the variable valve timing.
Very nice.
It's like a 2000-ish era. I don't know the exact year of the motor, but
Sounds about right.
yeah.
And then you were saying that the transmission is no longer the transmission that came with that engine. It's out
Right.
of the Solstice.
Pontiac Solstice.